And here we have it, the Rimfire Precision Rimfire .22 long rifle. It's a beautiful piece of equipment. It's built very solid. Everything you can change, get it higher, lower, faster. And it's pretty simple for the maintenance. Just one push and you can remove the bolt. So you can clean the barrel and you can clean the bolt. And that's about the main thing. There we have the push pin. Just push it and you can remove the bolt. Ta-da! Very simple. If a 22 long rifle is fired, there will always stay something on the bolt, little powder pieces. So clean it, clean it, clean it. Let it stay in a pretty good shape every time when you're going to use it. I think it's about 3.5, maybe 4 kilos. Especially with the tripod in front. Very easy to handle. The grip is phenomenal. You don't need much to disassemble the bolt, so it can be cleaned in a very good way. There will always be some residue on the bolt, so with a little screwdriver it's possible to disassemble a little part, so the extractor will be removed, so it's pretty good possible to clean it, and then I mean really clean it. There will always be something left, but it's very simple to clean it. Again, a little screwdriver, as you can see, there's some residue coming off. And to assemble, just put the extractor back. Yeah, don't forget it the other way around. And the clip goes on it. It's as simple as can be. Now it's time to get some magic tools. It's just a plastic brush, now plastic holder and some nylon brush. So you won't damage any steel if you're using a screwdriver like I just showed. Always be aware that it's possible to damage it. It's very simple. To clean the barrel we are going to use an aluminum stick, and we call it viltje. We're going to do on top of it. Don't forget it, viltje. Let the viltje always travel the way that bullet is going. Remove it at the end of the barrel and always make sure that you're using a stick, a pole, or however you call it. And that will be softer material than the barrel itself. As you can see, this is the first time and there's some residue coming off. Sorry, do it again. So maybe it takes 3 or 4 or 5 pieces to clean it, but it's very simple. Put a stick inside, very simple. Push it just one direction to the end. And then we have the second one, looking a lot better already. My dog is barking. I hope you don't hear it. So just go through it until the last one is clean. You can use that one next time. When when you're going to clean the barrel, you can put some oil on it for the first one, but make sure all the oil is gone when you're finished. There's also a little secret what I'm going to yeah, open. And if you remove that top piece of plastic, there must be a brilliant name for it, but I'm really convinced I have no name for it. There will be a little key below, so you can adjust everything you want to on the yeah, I don't know how you call it, trekkergroep, that's how we call it. How many pressure you want before the bullet takes off, everything. It's quite good that it's in the handlebar. Actually, the owner told me it was there. I had no clue at all. Also, the part where the magazine goes into the weapon, clean it. Make sure there's no filthy stuff left, because it has to go really simple. To assemble the bolt again, just push it in and it's locked already. This is the 22. You have the same rifle in 308 as well. And there's a little piece that you can remove on the bolt to make it practice like it's a 308. It's yeah, it's a very nice rifle to hold. It feels solid, not too heavy, easy to carry around, very easy to clean, and of course you can disassemble way more, but it's almost a new weapon. It's a year old and it's not fired a lot, maybe about 3 or 4,000 rounds, and the owner's doing pretty good maintenance himself. There was still a lot of oil that I found, so I explained there's no need, it will only burn or give greasy hands. So just clean it, and after you clean it, use a clean cloth just to make sure everything is dry and there will be enough left. Now it's time for some photos from some little parts on the rifle. I think you can see what it's all. It's just very nicely detailed. And there's something at the end that I might, if people want to see it, be another rifle in the very near future. It's a Browning, and watch, here we have the front. Ta-da! It's a 308 Browning, brilliant gun. And if you think you want to see a little video about it, please let me know in the comment box below. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when a new video will be uploaded. So don't forget, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can even give a thumbs up. It's free. Today it's free. You make me happy, and I think that's the best part you can do, making me happy. Well, so far, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, use the comment box below, and I might see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.